Hey, so there's a lot of suspension parts out there on the internet. And here's the thing. When I'm at a show, people say, Lou, do you really use Strutmasters? I go, of course I do. I've put it on several cars with my students and my own personal vehicle. And they work fantastic. And there's 4 reasons why you should visit Strutmasters to see why it is good for you. And the reasons are as follows. Come with me. Your first reason for buying Strutmasters is real simple. All of the coil springs are cold wound and made in the USA. That's important because it definitely makes the springs last longer. The second reason you want to come to Strutmasters is everything here is suspensions. They don't build engines. They don't sell transmissions. They don't sell rear ends. They don't sell you tune-up parts. You get suspension stuff. The beauty of Strutmasters is simple. If you have a car with factory air ride and it goes out, they sell you struts that replace the air system, puts the car at stock ride height, and then it rides like it's supposed to, because that's the whole thing. All your cars and trucks are covered. If it's got factory air, these are your guys. You can buy it somewhere else, but it doesn't really matter because it's not going to be good. Something else that's really neat is they have all your motorcycle needs met. Now, everything is designed and assembled and serviced and warrantied right here in North Carolina. So let's go check out the salespeople. Hey, I forgot number 4. Here's the thing. When you call Strutmasters, you're going to get all your services right here in North Carolina. All your warranty stuff, your sales, doesn't matter. They're right here, North Carolina. It's the way we do business, and that's what's the beauty of it. But you know what? I want to show you guys the coil springs, the massive amounts of coil springs. Come on. So here's the deal, guys. The reason why you bought a luxury car is because you want to have a nice ride. So when that air system goes out, what do you want to do? You want to get rid of it? Probably not. Why go in the hole with a payment that you don't need to, right? So what do? You call someone like Strutmasters.com and get a quality strut replacement kit for your luxury car. And the reason why you want to do that is because it retains the ride. The car has stock ride height, but the coil springs are cold wound, American-made, high-quality steel, which means they last longer than some of the stuff that's hot wound. Because the metal, when they heat it up, it loses some of its malleability, and over time, it sags faster than a cold wound. That's why you want to buy Strutmasters.com. Not only that, look at all the springs they have. Talk about springtime coming early. It's crazy. Look. The second reason you want to come to Strutmasters, all they do is suspension work. This is it right here. The rubber meets the road. Suspensions. You got a problem? You call them, they talk suspensions. They don't talk engines, transmissions. They don't talk electrical. Well, they do talk electrical because some cars have a module that makes it so the lights go on in the dash, but they know how to fix that. So keep that in mind. So let's go visit reason number 3. Reason 3 for wanting to use Strutmasters is pretty simple. It's freaking huge. Look at this place. It's phenomenally large. It's like 100,000 square feet. I don't know how else to put it. Dun, dun, dun. Everything is quality checked multiple times. From the first step to the last, they care about what goes out the door with their name on it. After all, Strutmasters has been doing this for over 20 years. The 4th reason you want to come to Strutmasters is very simple. All the salespeople and all the tech people, like right here. They're sitting right here, the tech people, salespeople, and at the other end of the room. So it's right here in North Carolina. What more could you ask for? If you decide to go to someone else and get it cheaper, that's fine. But you know what? You're not going to get the tech support. You're going to get some guy on the phone with some accent going, hello, my name is Tom, and I don't know how to help you. That's what you're going to get. So the worst that you're going to get here is someone with a southern accent like this, and they're going to tell you what's wrong with your car and how to fix it. And not only that, they're going to make sure all the lights are off like they're supposed to be. That's why you buy Strutmasters. So there you have it. All 4 reasons to call Strutmasters.com. Now here's the thing. These people got it. Why don't you? So what you need to do is pick up the phone, tell them what kind of car you have, tell them what the situation is, and they'll sell you the appropriate kit. All of their people are right here in North Carolina. Everything is put together in North Carolina. So it's a great place to source your stuff because it's USA. Assembled and shipped and tech from America. What more do you want? I got to go work on my car. You can always call and ask for me, but I'm not going to be here.